What's up, shipmates? My name is Russ, and I have for you the June 2022 Dividend Portfolio Update. It was a special month because it was anchored by a special dividend from LyondellBasell, which paid out $5.20 per share on top of a 5% dividend hike, which gave us a total of $563.23 of dividend income for June 2022, which was about 49% higher than June of 2021, where we received $376.72. And so far, we've received $2,421.93 in dividend income. And in the bridge on June 3rd, I bought a share of Advance Auto Parts at $189.25, which gave us $6 of projected annual dividend income. Bought one share of Clorox at $139, gave us $4.64 of dividend income. This one has dropped a bit because of lawsuit litigation, which I'm looking to possibly add another share or two because it's in the $120 range. But I bought a share of 3M at $146, which gave us $5.96 of dividend income. And then I tapped into Snap-on, really trying to build up this position 3 times in the month of June. Added a share at $212.50, another share at $206.50, and one more share on the 30th at $197.50. So you can see that I'm consistently buying that one as it keeps dropping, because why wouldn't I keep buying Snap-on? Because, hey, I love a sale just as much as anyone. Don't run away from a sale. When I see these great companies that the stock price is dropping and they're even cheaper to buy, then I keep buying as well. And on the 17th, a share of Target Corporation, ticker TGT, for $139.99, which gave $4.32 of dividend income. I'll get to the options in just a moment, but in the self-directed IRA, bought a share of Johnson & Johnson at $169.34, gave us $4.52 of dividend income. Oh, Mo keeps falling, and it fell hard after I bought this share at $46.77, gave us $3.60 of annual dividend income. And then I bought a share of the REIT, Vici Properties, ticker VICI. I'm getting close to that 10 share minimum I'd like to have, added $1.44 of patty. And in the Roth portfolio, really just a lot of options income surrounding NEO. And then because Daddy doesn't gamble, I bought 100 shares of Voyager Digital, which is a crypto platform. It has been falling hard. It was once at $29. Now it was down to 65 cents per share when I bought it. I had to pay $6.95 because they trade over the counter. Again, I don't gamble. This is probably going to be a complete waste. I got bit with that bug that maybe it'll take a quick bounce from there. It's keeping on falling, and I'm probably going to lose some money. But all in all, I added $47.52 of dividend income in the month of June. That cost me $1,548.26 just on the dividend stocks, for a yield on cost of 3.22% that I get to lock in. And on DapperDividends.com, I do share all of the options income that I'm tracking for 2022. And we see here in the month of June, I had 3. I sold a covered call on Starbucks on June 10th that I received $110 for. Every contract I have to pay 65 cents fee, so I got total $109.35. That expired worthless. I had my NEO shares called away because I got a little bit cute. I sold a $20 covered call and I received $25 for that, $24.35 in aggregate. Those got called away, so now I'm selling cash secured puts on NEO, and I did this one on Thursday, the day before expiration, and I received $14.35 total, and that expired worthless. So in June, I received $148.05 of options income. Checking out the portfolio on Simply Safe Dividends, we say I have an annual income currently of $4,424 with a dividend yield of 3.49%, which is over double what the S&P 500 currently is. And the current yield on cost, though, is 3.49%. 8.77%. That's what I am locked in at. And we see of the total 61 holdings across 3 portfolios, the most I am up on, the top 3 are ExxonMobil, I'm up 93% on, Archer Daniels Midland up 83.2% on, and Chevron up 72.7%. And looking at the losers, Orion Office REIT, these were received from Realty Income when they spun off. I should have sold, but I'm hoping that it comes back up. I will not be adding any more to my 6 shares that I received. Innovative Industrial Properties were down 34.5% on. I would like to add more. I think they are a good company. And the next dividend stock that I'm down on, pretty big again, and you heard me say I'd like to add more, is 3M. Our cost per share is $170.93, and it was currently last at $128.49. I'm down 24.8%. And the biggest percentage of portfolio income comes from PepsiCo, paying us $460 a year. That's on those 100 shares, and that is 10.4% of the portfolio income, which is a little bit high. I'd like to get that a lot lower, and I will do that by adding 2 more companies. AT&T currently accounts for 9.4%. We have a total of 376 shares. I'm in AT&T for the long run. Cost per share $24.42. And a risky company, Omega Healthcare, has an annual income of $286, good for 6.5%. Again, they get an unsafe dividend safety score, so I would not be surprised if they cut, and it is one of my riskier positions with a current yield of 9.31%. In the month of July, I'm going to plan on building those positions of Target, which I think is a great undervalued company, and it may fall further. I would not be surprised to see it even dip into the 120s, which again, I love a sale, solid company. They gave us a 20% dividend increase because management knows that these are short-term issues they're going to work through. Very well-run company, and that is just a vote of confidence in such a fantastic company. I'm going to be buying more Snap-on, ticker SNA. Hoping to see that even in the 180s. Again, one of the most solid companies that I've seen as of late, and kind of surprised that I missed it. I covered Snap-on just a little bit, as well as Johnson & Johnson here in this live stream I did where I talked about 3 high growth dividend stocks that you can consider buying right now. And if you check that video out, I will talk to you there.